Exposing the luxury and performance, the Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series has just hit India at a staggering RS4. 2 crore. Is it worth every penny? Let's find out. Right off the bat, you can tell this isn't an ordinary SL class. The signature Maybach grille, the two-tone hand-painted finish, and the exclusive monogram badging scream elegance. But don't be fooled by its beauty. This machine is packing serious power. Step inside, and you're greeted with the ultimate blend of craftsmanship and technology. The Maybach SSL 680's interior is a private jet on wheels. Handcrafted Napa leather upholstery, bespoke customization options, and an immersive Burmester 3D surround sound system. Luxury aside, this beast is a true performance roadster. Under the hood, the 6.0L twin-turbo V8 delivers 612 GP and 900 nanometers of torque, launching this Maybach from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 3.5 seconds. So is the Maybach SL 680 monogram worth its RS4. 2 crore price tag. If you want the rarest, most luxurious SL ever, this is it. For collectors and luxury enthusiasts, it's a statement piece. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like and share if you love luxury cars. Subscribe for the latest supercar and luxury car updates.